for cup, where we sip and sit. D is for door, with a handle to grip. Letters to Z. Letters bring us joy and glee. E is for egg, and that's so neat. F is for flag, waving down the street. G is for grass, so green and bright. H is for hat, that fits just right. For ice, icy and cold. J is for juice, tasty and bold. K is for kettle, whistling steam. L is for lamp, with a soft gleam. Let's explore from to Z. Let's explore from A to let's bring us joy and glee. M is for moon, glowing in the night. N is for needle, stitching so tight. O is for ostrich, running with grace. P is for piano, filling the space. For quail with a cute little chirp. R is for rat with a quick little scurry. S is for star, twinkling so high. T is for table, where meals pass by. Let's explore from to Z. Let's explore from A to let's bring us joy and glee. U is for us, sailing in the sea. Z is for zoo, where animals are free. Y is for yacht, sailing in the sea. Z is for zoo, where animals are free.